Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Academy. This is a Sturmgeschütz Sdkfz 167 German assault gun tank, 75mm. This would be your cannon or gun there. Stuk 40L/48 gun. So here we are on the front. You can see here an illustration and static model. 1/35th scale, and then you see here some other features, this one being a Sokov matlet, as well as you can see here the shield there that helps date this particular version of the Stug. If we look at the sides of the box, we can see here some kind of stock photos with suggested paint scheme. Continuing around the sides of the box, here we have some serial numbers, TA968-8000, as well as 1332, again 1/35th scale. Another stock photo, some little more information there in other languages, including paint and cement required, easy to follow pictorial instructions, and this also being an unassembled kit for age 10 years and up. And here, this box is dated 1994 with the barcode, again with the 1332 there. Plain bottom. So we go ahead and open the box. Here we have the instructions. Another photo there. A little bit more information. The instructions themselves are from 1987, so this is probably, a later molding. If we go ahead and take a look at the instructions, again pictorial with the various parts numbers, and you can see here some other reference points as well as to how many of these you need to do: 2, 16, 8, gluing, not gluing, even this, when you want to decide which versions you want to work with. It does give you some choices for the various features which help date the tank for the different model versions. And here you can even see some paint suggestions already beginning there, as well as the full paint scheme suggestions there, as well as parts tree illustrations. Continuing, you can see here other models in the Armor series, as well as a little bit more contact information. And again, here's the kind of definition of the various icons. So this model was started and then put on the back burner. Quickly, right here, right away, we can see the tracks are one-piece flexible tracks. They still have a lot of flexibility to them. Some of the parts trees here are the decals. So this being a Sturmgeschütz 4 for number 1332, the kit. And here's the deck of the hull. Bottom portion of the hull, you can see there's actually cutouts, so this could be motorized. You actually see molding bits there for the battery positions, as well as slots for switches or wire controls. Here's some of the already partially assembled wheels, and bagged, as well as the other parts trees. Again, you can see the molding is dated 1987. And the other trees there, I'm going to take those out of the bag. So some assembly begun, but still quite a ways to go. And I think stopped because I was trying to decide which versions and how to research them, and kind of came to a stop point at that point in time. But taking a very quick look at a Sturmgeschütz Sdkfz 167, or also known as the Sturmgeschütz 4, and this is from Academy 135th scale. This has been another show and tell video or unboxing video. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel. We also do a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.